In the midst of this hot and steamy summer on the East Coast, let's take time for this weekend meditation to tame those wild and crazy hormones. Let's connect them and calm them. This is Elsie Kerns, your Overwhelm warrior, and we're going to use the hormonal system today to calm, harmonize those hormones. We're going to start at the crown with pineal gland. And that connects us not only to the divine and the universe, but also to creative ideas, direct knowing, intuitive insights for our life, our work, and bringing things, manifesting them here in our reality. We come down to pituitary, and in this area, the neocortex, we look for clarity. We want to be clear. And especially today when we have so many challenges like Alzheimer's and other neurological situations. So at that pituitary and neocortex, clarity. So connecting pineal, pituitary, and now coming down and connecting thyroid. So at this area, we can just do those figure eights from ear to ear. And at this area, we are asking for clear, concise communication. And also being able to express our needs and wants, to even know our needs and wants. Connecting down from the thyroid, just above the heart area, to the thymus for immunity, strong immune system. So with the thymus, if we feel like we're coming down with a cold or sinus situation, it's always helpful to tap, wake up the thymus, and ask our immune system to do the very best for us. Connecting that center right down to the heart. Love, communication, love with others. Reaching out, being in relationship. And then coming down to the solar plexus, we have that solar plexus area representing power. And so here we're trying to get into the power of love versus the love of power. Sliding over underneath the left breast, we have the pancreas. And so we're asking to take our sweetness from the earth, nature, and all of the things around us. Coming down, all the way down to the pelvic girdle, the pelvic area. Creativity. From this area, we are able to birth life. And equally important, we can birth ourself, our ideas, our creativity here in three-dimensional reality. This area also works with our reproductive system, and we're going to come down and connect that to the root center that works with adrenals and kidneys, supports our chi, our energy on a daily basis, and also helps to ground us so that we can be calm, so that we can modulate anxiety. So let's do that one more time. Coming all the way up to the crown, pineal gland, connecting the pineal to the pituitary, the forehead. Connecting pineal, pituitary to the thyroid. And connecting all three of those to the thymus. Coming down, connecting to the heart. Coming down, connecting to the solar plexus, to the pelvic girdle, and all the way down to the root center for grounding. So we have divine wisdom, divine knowing, connected to divine clarity. Coming down, connecting to divine communication. At the thymus, divine immunity. At the heart, divine love. At the solar plexus, divine power, the power of love versus the love of power. Sliding over under the left breast. Divine sweetness, taking our sweetness from the beauty and magic of the universe around us. Right across the pelvis, divine creativity, connecting that with the root center for adrenals and kidneys that help support our energy day in, day out, and also help to connect us all the way down to the Divine Mother, to Earth, so that we can be centered between Divine Father and Divine Mother. We can create that line of light between the divine universe, the divine earth, setting our intention for the week ahead. Taking a breath, just letting the shoulders drop, and remembering that the hormones in our body are somewhat running the show. So with this exercise, it helps us to just connect them, align them for our health and well-being. Connecting in pineal, pituitary, thyroid, thymus, heart, solar plexus, pancreas, pelvic girdle, grounding at the earth. Taking a breath and letting go, bringing in divine wisdom, divine clarity, divine communication, divine immunity, divine love, divine power, divine sweetness, divine creativity, coming all the way down to the root center, divine grounding. We are aligning between Divine Father, Divine Universe, all the way down into Divine Mother, Divine Earth. So take another breath. Just relax. And set your intention for today and for the week ahead. Whatever it is you need at this time and that you want to work with for yourself, for your own personal growth. Remembering that everything you do, evolving your own being, touches the world and everyone in it. Coming back one hand over the other. Taking time to hold all of your being in love, honor, and reverence, just as you are in this moment in time. Thank you for joining me. This is Elsie Kerns, your Overwhelm warrior. And if there's any way I can help you, I offer a free 30-minute consult. And I have a number of programs that may be of interest to you. Check out my website, overwhelmwarrior.com. Have a great day, wonderful week ahead, and I'll see you next week.